Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good while you're watching this video that I'm sharing with you today to continue with the stuff that I did before my videos, the birthday party Spider-Man stuff. So today I'm going to share with you the cake. I hope you like the video. So straight away we're going to share with you how I made the chocolate buttercream. So I have here 500 grams of soft butter that I'm going to beat for at least 5 to 8 minutes, or until it changes the color to like cream white, like white color. So at least it has to be beaten for 5 to 8 minutes so it becomes creamy. So then you won't taste the butter, it will be like a cream. So this is I'm gonna put inside the cake itself, but I'm gonna cover the cake with the ganache, chocolate ganache. So I keep beating it, and the other ingredient I'm gonna use, if you can see that it's becoming like a cream. So I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla flavor, and I'm gonna use the Cadbury hot chocolate. So this one is already sweet, so I'm not gonna add any sugar or anything like that. So I'm gonna add how much I want. So this one, it tastes absolutely amazing. It tastes really good. You can use any other hot chocolate that you like, but I really like this one. So I'm gonna be adding more until I reach the amount or the flavor I want, as you can see. So this is how it looks like, butter chocolate icing, and it's as you can see, 2 ingredients, and it's really good. You can use the cream instead of butter, but because I'm gonna put the ganache outside, so I need it to be firm. So this is the chocolate cake. I didn't show you the chocolate cake I made, but I'm gonna leave you all the ingredients in the description box, because otherwise it's gonna be a really long video. So I removed the top of the cake, and I'm gonna cut it in half. So I made 2, and each one I cut in half, so that are gonna be 4 layers. So this is, I'm gonna leave you the ingredients on the description box. As you can see, it's gonna be 4 layers. So now in the board here, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter cream. I'm gonna put the first layer, and I'm gonna put a cold milk on it, on top of it, just to make it moist and just to keep it moist. You don't have to add the milk, but just to keep it like moist and not dry. So keep going until you cover the whole cake, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the chocolate buttercream. Just cover the whole cake with it, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce, chocolate sauce. Any chocolate sauce. I used this one. You're gonna see it now. Is the Nestle one. I got this one from Lidl. I haven't seen it anywhere else actually, but I got it from Lidl. This one. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit all over the cake, and then I'm gonna put the other layer, and just keep going until you get to the last layer. As you can see, just put a little bit of milk all over the cake, and then the buttercream, and a little bit of sauce, chocolate sauce, until you get to the last layer. And then I'm gonna cover the outside as well with the whatever left over of the chocolate buttercream, just to seal in the the small pieces of the cake or whatever, so it doesn't go anywhere. And it will be easy when I'm gonna put the ganache. It will be easy to put it without worrying about stuff going out of the cake. As you can see, just a thin layer, just to hold it all together. I'm just gonna leave it on the fridge after that. So now for the ganache, I have 900 grams of white chocolate. I'm gonna add to it 300 ml of double cream. I'm gonna put it over the hot water until it melts. You can use the microwave as well. So it's the same, the ganache same I used with the cupcakes before. So every 300 grams of chocolate, it's 100 grams of what is called double cream. So that's it. When it's ready, you can just mix it in the mixer here, electric mixer or hand mixer, so that it can become like a cream, as you can see here. So it'll be easy to spread all over the cake. Just make sure it's cooled down before you beat it up in the machine. So now I'm gonna add the red color for Spider-Man. You can add, depend on the color that you're gonna use. So this is a gel color. It's best to use gel or powder colors, because the liquid ones are not really good, and you have to use quite a lot, and they don't give you a really good colors. So that's it. So now I'm gonna cover the whole cake with the ganache. As you can see, the cake is quite solid, so it'll be easy to spread the ganache all over it. So I'm gonna put the first layer and then put it in the fridge to harden, and then I'm gonna add another layer, just to to make sure that everything is covered up and everything is nicely done. Just keep going. Just you have to work a little bit quick, because the cake is cold and the ganache chocolate, so it's quickly dry, so you have to move a little bit quickly. Just keep going slowly, and then try to fix it while you add in the ganache. It was a little bit of a headache, but it was worth it, and you just have a little bit of patience and you can get there. So now I'm gonna add the second layer, as you can see, just to make sure that everything is covered up, and if there is anything still showing the cake or something, and that's it. So if you haven't watched the videos before for the biscuit and the muffins, you can go back to my channel and watch them, because they're connected, the same birthday party, and they're also Spider-Man decoration. I'm gonna leave you the links in the description boxes as well. So that's it. When it's all done, just use a clean tissue paper, just to make sure that everything is tidy and stuff, so you don't have to be up and down and stuff. So it's easier to use the tissue paper, because you can use your hand on top, so it will be easier. Just gently. So now I'm gonna add the icing that I bought from Amazon. It's a Spiderman icing cake topper. I think it's a 7-inch, and it has already, you can personalize it. It already says happy birthday Hashim, happy 4th birthday Hashim. I think it was £5.50 or something like that. So it's just easy to put on the top, just goes quickly. And then I'm gonna add this little bit of spray, edible spray that I used before as well, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm gonna use the sprinkles, the same sprinkles as I used in before. I'm gonna use them all around the cake. So just make sure you press them to the cake, because you know, the ganache, when it's get hardened, is hard to keep them sticking to it. But just keep pushing them in, and just keep going around until you get you get all the places. So I was gonna put that big one, but it was a little bit too big. So I'm just gonna put like medium sizes with my hand, like one by one, just around the cake. That's it. So that's the big ones I used. You can even use that spatula or something to push the sprinkles in the ganache. I said happy 4th, it's happy 3rd. I added 1 year. God. So here I'm gonna use some decoration on the top in blue. So I just put a little bit of double cream with icing sugar, a little bit of vanilla flavor, and I'm gonna add some blue color to it. And then I'm gonna mix it together until it becomes thick, as you can see. So I'm just gonna decorate a little bit on the top, just to cover that place that it still shows. So you keep adding the color slowly until you reach the desired color, as you can see. That's it. I'm just gonna go like this, like circles around the cake. And that's it. Here you have it, Spiderman cake. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like the videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put a like if you like the video, and share my videos with your friends and family members. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.